Hey ladies, Carrie here today to talk about some of the benefits of the programs that we have for you as an independent fit stylist. So today we're going to talk about Refresh Your Kit. What is that? That is when you want to add things to your kit. So here I am, I got my kit. I got my best-selling Abby's there. I got my cups, I got my panties, I got some stuff there. But what I want to add the athleisure, I want to add the grace, I want to add the bodysuit, I want to add the pajamas, I want to add what do I want to add? I want to add the date night. I want to add these different things to my kit. Not a problem. So here's the thing. You must have $500 in personal volume in the previous month, and you will qualify to add 3 items at half off between the 1st and the 10th of the following month. So let's say right now we're in June. So in June, if you have $500 in personal volume, then what? Then you get to add 3 items July 1st through the 10th to your kit. Okay, and you can pick any of those things and add them to your kit. So you'll just have to, you don't have to use fast start credit. You don't have to use any of that. You literally just pay half off and they're yours to add to your kit. So little tips here. Go back to the fast start guide. If you don't have the $500 and you're like, how do I get back started again? Go back to the fast start guide. I'm going to tell you, it is like your training machine there. So tell everybody what you're doing, why you're excited, share your favorite products with your friends and coworkers, carry the catalogs with you. You can even carry the digital catalog with you. How? You can text them the catalog so they can look at it on their phone. You can carry the playbook. The playbook is actually a phenomenal thing to carry with you because that is a great way to show that we give you every month what you need to know for the month, and print it out, carry it with you, or put it on your phone or your iPad. Show them that it's there because maybe it might spark the interest to them that like, hey, essential bodywear looks pretty easy to do. Have it ready to share at all times. Carry a notepad or post-it notes in your purse. Write down contact information and be sure to follow up. The key is in the follow-up. Me, I don't do the notepad or the post-it notes. I literally will text them their information because guess what? I have their information now and I can follow up, okay? So text them. This is Carrie the Fit Stylist, hashtag best bra ever, and text it to them. And then what you can do is also text them your website, but you need to follow up. It isn't just about sending that text, it's to follow up a time, send them your Calendly link to set up a virtual fitting. Always know your next 3 available dates for events. So when someone wants to mention they want to have a get together, you are ready there to schedule right then and there. Remember, always get a date on that calendar. Immediately when someone says they will want to book an event, just pencil and say, hey, I'll pencil it in. And when you get home, need to check your calendar. No problem. I can change it. But right now I got you penciled in because I book up fast. Tell them you book up fast. Always ask for referrals. Good luck, ladies.